If you've ever wondered how people build those beautiful professional websites, those that look like actual brands, then this video is for you. Because in today's video, we are talking about Elementor One, which is basically Elementor's newest all-in-one plan that helps you build, optimize, and manage your WordPress website in one place. Elementor One is a new offering, but not a new product, because this helps you manage all the Elementor tools except host with a shared credits pool system. And I'm going to explain what it is, who's it for, and how you can use it in 2026 to build a clean professional website even as a beginner. Before we start, I have something exciting for you. Elementor actually sent me this card and I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys. This card right here is loaded with 5 free Elementor One plans and I'm giving them away to 5 of you. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and comment below what would you use your Elementor One subscription for. And make sure that at the end of the comment you also add your Instagram handle so I can contact you in case you win. Winners will be randomly selected and I will reach out to you on Instagram if you are a winner. Okay, now let's get into the video. What is Elementor? If you're new here, we're going to talk a little bit about what Elementor is and how you can use the Elementor One subscription as well. So Elementor is a visual drag and drop website builder plugin for WordPress. So instead of coding, you basically design your website by moving things around visually. WordPress is the base and Elementor is what makes it look modern and professional. I've been using Elementor, the free version, the pro version, and everything else from them since I can remember, and it is the easiest way you can design a page in WordPress in my opinion. So with Elementor you can build a business website, portfolios, landing pages, home pages, online stores, so e-commerce stores, and much more. And now, what is Elementor One? Let's talk about this so you can see how you can use it as well. So Elementor One is basically the next level for Elementor. Because normally when somebody builds a WordPress website, they use Elementor, then they install 10 extra plugins, one for images, one for AI, one for performance, for forms, and suddenly your website becomes slow, messy, and hard to manage. Elementor One fixes all that by giving you an all-in-one subscription where you can build, optimize, and manage your website all in one workflow. So Elementor One is perfect for business owners who want a real professional website, creators selling digital products, freelancers building websites for clients, agencies managing multiple projects, and anyone who wants faster results with less technical stress. And what I love about it is that it works whether you're a complete beginner or somebody that builds websites every single day. So now I'm going to give you a breakdown of what Elementor One includes and how you can start using it. So Elementor One gives you 3 major things. First, create. This is where you actually build the website and you get the drag and drop editor, templates, full site kits, theme builder, so header, footer, blog layout, forms, pop-ups, and dynamic content. So if you're building a website for a small business like a nail tech, photographer, gym, or even your own clothing brand, you can build a full professional layout without hiring a developer. The next thing that it includes is optimize. This is a part that most people ignore, but it matters so much in 2026. Your website can look super pretty, but if it loads slow, people leave. So Elementor One includes optimization tools like image optimization, so your image loads fast, accessibility tools, so your site works properly for everyone, and performance improvements that help with SEO. So for example, if you upload a bunch of products in your online store, Elementor can optimize them so your page doesn't take forever to load. And the next thing is manage, and more is coming soon too. Elementor One is also built for long-term management. So instead of using 3 different services for updates, email tools, and random plugins, Elementor One helps you keep everything more organized. And it is also constantly evolving, which means that it is not just a one-time tool, but an ecosystem. Now, how does the credit system work? It is super simple. So Elementor One uses a shared credit system, meaning that each month you get credits and you can use them across different tools depending on what you need. For example, AI tools for when you're creating new pages, image optimization when you upload content, accessibility scans when you want to clean up your site. So you're not paying for 10 separate subscriptions, you're just using one plan in a smart way. Now let me show you a simple process on how you can use Elementor One to build a professional website in 2026. First things first, you need to set up WordPress and get hosting and a domain. We recommend Elementor Host for this, as it is the best host for the Elementor drag and drop plugin. It is not included in Elementor One, but it can be purchased separately. Next, what you want to do is install Elementor. So go to plugins and install Elementor, and then activate Elementor One. When you get Elementor One, you install Elementor Pro. It comes as a zip folder. You activate your account, and now you have access to the full experience. Step number 4 is to choose a site kit or a template, because this is how you build fast and then you just customize your branding. So step number 6 is to customize your logo, fonts, colors, images, and mobile settings. Let's not forget about that. Next, you add the pages you need. So homepage, about, services or shop, contact, frequently asked questions, and more. And now you have a real website. So here are real ways on how people can use Elementor One. As a freelancer website, you add the portfolio, inquiry form, and services page. As an e-commerce brand, clean product pages, fast images, and mobile optimized store. Digital products, landing page, email capture, and simple checkout flow. As a coach or consultant, you have a booking page, testimonials, and lead magnet pop-up. You can literally build something that looks like a real brand, even if you're starting from scratch. Now a quick Q&A about Elementor One so you can understand more about this. How does Elementor One compare to the old Elementor Pro? Elementor One doesn't just give you the page builder and pro features, it adds AI tools, image optimization, accessibility tools, email delivery, and a credit system, all in one unified subscription for a better long-term workflow. How does the Elementor One credit system work? Each month, you get a pool of shared credits. You can use them across supported tools: AI content, image generation, email delivery, image optimization, site accessibility tools, and new capabilities as they launch. What happens if I run out of credits? You can adjust your usage to focus on what matters most that month. Heavy AI tasks use more credits, but you can decide where to spend them. Can I upgrade from Elementor Pro? Yes, if you're already an Elementor Pro user, you can upgrade into an Elementor One plan and get all features in a single experience. You are free to stay on whichever plan you choose, as prices will stay the same and not increase. Now, if you want to try Elementor One for yourself, you can get 5% off with the link in the description and by using my code Lydia51. This gives you 5% off from all Elementor One annual plans. Just a quick note, this is limited to the first 150 users and it is only available for a limited time. So if you want to grab Elementor One 5% off, make sure to use it right now. So there you go, this is Elementor One and how to build a professional WordPress site in 2026 by using it. Also, don't forget to join the giveaway and leave your comment down below to be included and be one of the 5 winners for an Elementor One subscription. Like, subscribe, and comment what you would use Elementor One for, and don't forget to leave your Instagram handle at the end of the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!